Okay. The nursery and the kinder one are going to read the alphabet. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
Okay, let's begin.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cake. K is for cat. A is for egg. S is for fish. F is for
What's the letters this? Again? Ano? Very good. How about Ate Michay? What's the letter? Pakita mo yung picture natin. Pakita. Dito sa unahan.
Mamaya, pag tinawag kayo,
Ate Michay.
F is for? Doon ang tingin sa bisita natin. Sige.
Okay, Ate Royce.
Yeah.
Read.
D is for dog.
Very good. Ate Alita. Ate Alita.
Palakpak naman yung
Malakpak
nanay.
po, Mami.
Mommy.
P is for
Hawakan ninyo, ha?
P is for for
Mama.
anong nasa picture mo? Ano yun, Ate Alita? Pencil. Back to your position. Ate Michay, Ate Royce.
Pag pumunta kay nanay na.
Ate May, next. Ate May, next. Next, Ate Asher.
Doon kayo titingin sa bisita, ha? Doon sa bisita.
Ate Asher, next.
Hindi na.
Palakpak.
Yay!
Again. Very good. Ate Charlotte. Very good. Kuya Raiden.
Yes.
Dito dito ka. Dito ka, dali. Ready yan. O, harap yung picture mo. Harap yung picture. Picture. Harap dito. A is for? Very good. Kuya Eno, next. Next.
Ino.
L is that.
Ang teacher.